In a world obsessed with speed and stealth, one jet disappeared before it could dominate the skies. But now, it's back in the spotlight. Meet the YF-23, the fighter that was too advanced for its time, a ghost in the sky, and the F-22's forgotten rival. In the early 1990s, two stealth fighters were born, the Lockheed YF-22 and the Northrop Grumman YF-23. The YF-23 was faster, stealthier, and had a futuristic design unlike anything ever seen. Nicknamed Black Widow Ill, it looked like a spaceship and flew like one too. So, why did the YF-23 lose the contract to the YF-22? The answer: politics, partnerships, and maneuverability. The YF-22 was better in dogfights, a priority during the post-Cold War era, but stealth, speed, range, YF-23 was unmatched. The YF-23 had a diamond-shaped wing, infrared suppressing exhaust, and radar deflecting angles. It could cruise at Mach 1.6 without afterburners, the radar cross-section lower than any US jet before it. It was the definition of next-gen. Fast forward to today. With China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57 rising, stealth supremacy is back in demand. And suddenly, the world is looking back at the YF-23. Could this ghost fighter become the blueprint for future 6th-gen jets? Recently, rare footage emerged, showing the YF-23 in flight tests. The smooth, silent glide, the eerie radar, profile. Aviation fans and military analysts are stunned. It's not just a prototype, it's a warning. The US built something incredible and shelved it. The YF-23 didn't go into production, but its influence lives on. In the B-2 Spirit, the B-21 Raider, and, possibly, the NGAD program. Sometimes, the best aircraft aren't the ones that fight, but the ones that inspire. What do you think? Was the YF-23 the better jet? Should it have replaced the F-22? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stealthy stories from the sky.